Welcome to Rohan Industries, your trusted partner in the realm of shell and tube heat exchanger manufacturing. Today, we are diving into a crucial operation, tube sheet grooving. To accomplish this task, precision is key, and the right tools are indispensable. We utilize a complete grooving tool with a Morse taper metric tin to ensuring seamless execution of the grooving process. This tool is equipped with a foam tool cutter ranging from 3 mm to 6 mm, essential for achieving the desired grooving dimensions. Alternatively, a tool bit holder with a tool bit of 3 mm to 6 mm is also utilized, offering flexibility and efficiency in the grooving operation. It's important to note that tube sheet grooving follows the drilling operation of tube sheet holes, ensuring compatibility with the required specifications. At Rohan Industries, we prioritize excellence in every step of the manufacturing process. If you found this video informative, please like, comment, and share it with others in the industry. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on precision engineering and manufacturing techniques. Thank you for joining us.